Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So let's first start by talking about some levels of support. And the initial level, nothing fancy behind it other than the fact of where the party stopped for the bears, that is, on a couple different occasions. And that's right here around the $1.36 mark. So like I said, the bears are having a good party, but then the party stopped right there. The bulls bounced it. The bears are once again having a party, but as of right now, it couldn't make any further progress down below that area. But the dynamic to keep in mind going into Friday is that the price is right at that level. So it's more than logical. It's more than a rational thought to have that, yeah, this price level could very well be broken early on Friday. Now, of course, if there's some sort of big gap up, then that changes everything. But assuming the price, doesn't gap up and, opens up right around that area, the price is essentially sitting right at that area. So like I said, that doesn't mean it's for sure going to happen, but yeah, it's logical to think that there very well could be a breakdown on Friday morning. In the event there is a breakdown, then that's where things get a little sketchy, because going back to the history of things, you can see that there just isn't that many other areas of support because of that big breakout move until down around $1.27. Now, I'm not saying that if $1.36 is broken, then within 2 seconds it's going to be down to $1.27. But like I said, just going through the history of things, there just simply isn't any other areas of support. So preferably speaking, you want to see the price continue to maintain above that area that it did today. But those would be considered the next couple levels of support. In the event there is any sort of bounce back to the upside, in my opinion right now, top priority has nothing to do with breaking levels of resistance. It's all about trying to consolidate out and make sure that support doesn't fail. But like I said, in the event it turns around, keep an eye on that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average. That is currently valued at $1.58. So watch those levels going forward, and it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.